Hey everyone, it's Jordan.
And Scarlett.
And we are back with some pin mail. This is from our friend Olivia. I am so excited to open this. I know some of what is inside. Scarlett does not.
I am so excited.
I met Miss Olivia through social media. She is fantastic. I'll put her Instagram information here and her TikTok information here. She does fantastic pin trading stories during her Disney days. I just love her account so much. It is so cute. She's one of my favorite people to follow.
And also, my mom told me that there's going to be some pink pins in this.
So when we went to Disneyland for my birthday, I had my Disneyland birthday bucket list. And on that bucket list was to find some of the 2025 Hidden Disney mystery pins, which you can only find right now on either cast member lanyards or on trading boards. Spoiler alert, we didn't find any. But Olivia did! And there are some in this box and I am so excited. Yapping, I think we should open it. Yeah. Okay. First look at what's inside. Ugh. I didn't really do that great of a job. Hold on. Little Easter eggs. Olivia, oh my gosh. You have outdone yourself. Okay, first things first. Dude, are you kidding me? She put together little baggies, little goodie baggies. And a pin folio. Our first ever pin folio little mini board. This is fantastic. We just put our Fantasyland pins on it because I know that some of these are in this box. So that one says Scarlett, this one says Jordan. Okay, we have some cute little treats. Jordan, thank you for trading with me. I hope you love your new pins. We need to coordinate our Disney trips. Hope these boxes help you finish your set.
Excuse me?
Excuse you? What did you get? Oh my gosh. Okay, so you got two more of the Fantasyland pins. You have Donald on the Storyland boats and Dopey on the Snow White ride.
Oh, look at the stickers I got.
And you got stickers. I love them. And let's see the pins that I got. We have... We have Morph and Minnie Mouse from the 2025 Hidden Disney Collection. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely obsessed. I love them so much. But there are some more goodies in here. We have, I cannot believe it. We have two of the Fantasyland pin boxes and two of the Disney doggies. Lucky taps, lucky taps.
That chocolate was so good.
Right.
Wait, it comes in two.
Yeah, there's two pins in each one. Do you want me to cut them open or do you want to rip them open? You want to cut them? Pin number one is... Oh, Michael! Who is it? Goofy! Dopey! And last one?
I get to see first.
Oh, another Dopey. That's okay. They're perfect. They'll all go on our traders. And for the Disney dogs, I did complete this set already, but I am always down for more traders. All right. Let's get them all open.
Look at that bite.
Bag one is... Little brother, you've got to be kidding me. I traded for him. This was the only pin that I did not open. Off to a good start. Is this gonna be copper? Let's see if my luck has changed here. Oh, lady. Pin number three is... a copper. And pin number four. I swear to God, if this is Dodger. I freaking knew it. So as a quick little recap from the blind boxes that we opened, we pulled Lady, Copper, Dodger, and Little Brother. We have two new Dopies, a Goofy, and a Michael. And for our traders that we got, we have Morph and Minnie Mouse from the Hidden Disney 2025 Pink storyline, and Dopey and Donald. This was so much fun. I love having pin friends. This also tells me that I definitely need to step up my game when it comes to sending like little care packages because this was such a blast to open. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like these and want to see more, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll put a button right here. If you click my face, it'll take you right to our channel. We'll catch you guys in the next one.